Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WS Cube Tech English channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video of Facebook ad series, we are basically going to talk about asset customization option with regards to placement. So before actually starting this video, I would like to request you to please do subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you do not miss any one of the upcoming important videos. So guys, in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about asset customization, how it actually works and where we are going to see this option. So first of all, let me tell you what is asset with regards to Facebook ad. So guys, whenever we talk about asset is basically your image, your creative that you have uploaded in the form of ad and that you want to show your audience, right? So that is basically asset. So whenever we are saying that we want to customize asset, which means that we want to like put some link over there, or we want to add some text over there on that image, or we want to crop that image, we want to change the dimension of that image, right? So that is basically asset customization, and that is basically the options of asset customization, or the different ways of asset customization. And when we talk about asset customization with regards to placement, which means that whatever dimensions options are available there in Facebook stories or there in Instagram stories, can we customize our assets according to those placement? That is basically asset customization with regards to placement. So do we have that option where we can actually customize our assets with regards to the placements, the dimensions that placements offer, right? As we know that within feed we can do 1:1 image, that is square image, but when we talk about story placements, we cannot use that 1:1 or square image. We have to use, like, we can use that 1:1, but yes, stories generally recommend you to use a 9:16 kind of that vertical image so that there your image look good, right? So this is what it actually means with regards to asset customization and placements. So in the previous video, we discussed about placements, and in this video, we will be talking about asset customization. So let us select some campaign over here. As you can see on my laptop screen, I'm going to select this particular campaign. And if we go ahead and select this edit option over here, and if we come to this ad set level, and if we come to this placement section over here, so as you can see, if I'm going ahead and selecting all the 13 placements with regards to Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience options, which is present over here, asset customization is there for all the placements. And if you will go ahead and click on this small or hover on this small I button, you can see asset customization allow you to select different images or videos for each placements within a single ad, right? So for the placements, for each and every placement within an ad, you can actually customize your creative. This is what asset customization actually means, and this is what I told you before also. So here we can see that different placements like placements of Instagram feed and Facebook feed, these all actually support asset customization. So guys, now let's go to this ad section over here, right? And within this ad section, as you can see, 13 placements are there, and we are having this particular media or this particular image. Now what we can do is we can select our placement, like in feed and in stream we have all these things, right? So if we go ahead and want to customize our asset with regards to Facebook news feed, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and click on this edit option, and now this is open over here. Now what I can do is I can change the image, right, for this specific placement only, that is mobile news feed. I can change the image. I can go ahead and crop this thing according to my requirement. I can use square, or I can use horizontal, or I can use the original one, which is square basically. I can do these kind of things. And if we want to change something with regards to primary text, which is mentioned over here, or with regards to headlines, which is there, what we can do is we can just simply click on this thing, and then we can change, right? Now this will be only applicable to this particular placement only. So whenever we want to customize our assets, whenever we want to customize our ads with regards to placement so that they appear good on those specific placements, because every placement is different, every placement has different dimensions, every placement has different spaces with regards to your primary text and with regards to your headlines and everything. So you cannot use I mean very lengthy primary text in Instagram stories, because there the primary text will appear on the image itself, right? So if we go to Instagram thing, like Instagram stories, right? So let's come over here in the stories section, and if we go to Instagram stories and if we edit this thing, you can see our primary text is appearing over here. So if you want to use a small to the point primary text, what you can do is, now this change will be applicable to only Instagram stories placement, right? So what you can do is you can go ahead and select this primary text over here, and then you can change this primary text, right? So whatever changes you will make over here, those changes will reflect over here, right? As you can see. So whatever text you want to use with regards to Instagram stories, you can use that text over here. So you have the option of customizing your asset, that is your image, according to the placement. But you have to think, right? You have to think, it's a time taking process also, because if you have already selected higher number of placement, then you have to do a lot of work, right? You have to do a lot of work. You have to go to each and every placement and see what is working for you and what is not working for you, which thing is basically looking good on that placement and which thing is not looking good. So you have all these options. You can also use some creative tools like polls, like background color, and these options are only present in stories, right? These options are not there in feeds. You cannot put polls on feeds. You can put polls only on stories. So you have these options enabled over here when you have selected Instagram stories. Now what you can do is you can click on this link also, right? And whatever the link is there, you can change that website link also with regards to this particular placement only. So you have all these different options, and this is what asset customization actually means. That's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.